Have you ever imagined waking up every day knowing that your money is working for you while you sleep? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or just unsure how to build wealth, this video is for you. Today, I'll share the exact financial plan that took me from poverty to financial freedom. If you're between 20 and 40 years old, want to change your financial reality, and are looking for a step-by-step guide to achieve stability and prosperity, stay tuned. I'll show you exactly how to make it happen, even if you're starting from zero. Many people remain trapped in a cycle of financial struggle because they lack control over their finances. They spend more than they earn, accumulate debt, and feel lost when trying to break free. The absence of planning leaves them frustrated, stressed, and powerless, as if they're stuck in an endless loop. But the truth is, anyone can reverse this situation with the right strategies. Financial transformation begins with a mindset shift. Adopting a mindset of abundance and discipline is crucial. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. Imagine achieving financial security, building an emergency fund, and growing your wealth for the future. This isn't just possible. It's already been achieved by countless people who started with nothing, just like you. When I first began my journey, I was overwhelmed and unsure where to start. But then I realized something critical. The first step to changing your financial reality is mastering basic money management. Create a detailed budget, track all your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Use digital tools like budgeting apps to monitor your progress. This practice will give you clarity about where your money is going and allow you to make necessary adjustments. Let me share a real-life example. A friend of mine, João, tracked every single expense for 3 months. He was shocked to discover he was wasting over $500 a month on unnecessary subscriptions and impulse purchases. When he eliminated those expenses, he redirected the money into an emergency fund. This small change made a huge difference. Once you've organized your finances, the next step is building an emergency fund. Having this financial cushion is essential for handling unexpected expenses like medical bills or temporary income loss. Even if you start small, prioritize this goal. You can save a fixed amount each month or cut unnecessary expenses to speed up the process. The key is creating a safety net that provides peace of mind. Another crucial step is eliminating debt strategically. Use effective methods like the snowball technique, where you pay off smaller debts first to build momentum before tackling larger ones. Negotiate interest rates and prioritize high-interest debts. Paying off your debts will free up more resources for saving and investing, multiplying your financial power. With your debts under control, it's time to start investing. There are accessible options for beginners, such as government bonds, certificates of deposit (CDs), and mutual funds. Research different investment types and choose those that align with your goals. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, ensuring continuous growth over time. Additionally, explore ways to diversify your income streams. Create multiple revenue sources through freelancing, online businesses, or monetizing hobbies. This not only increases your cash flow, but also reduces reliance on a single income source, providing greater financial stability. It's important to debunk common myths about wealth. Many believe you need to be born rich or have a lot of money to start investing. In reality, anyone can achieve financial success with dedication and knowledge. Don't wait until you have large sums of money. Start today, even if it's with small amounts. Avoid common mistakes on your financial journey, such as procrastination or impulsiveness. Plan each step carefully and stay focused on your goals. This ensures consistent progress without unnecessary setbacks. Financial education also plays a vital role. Read books, take courses, and follow experts in the field. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Investing in knowledge is the foundation for any financial success. To further inspire you, let me share real-life stories of people who escaped poverty using similar strategies. Someone who started investing with small amounts built significant wealth over time. Another person turned a hobby into a profitable business and now lives comfortably. These examples demonstrate that simplicity and consistency are key to success. Staying motivated during your financial journey can be challenging, but practical techniques can help. Visualize your goals regularly and celebrate small victories along the way. This will help you maintain discipline and keep moving forward even when faced with difficulties. Free. Digital tools can be invaluable in organizing your finances. Experiment with different apps and platforms until you find the ones that work best for you. They'll make tracking your progress easier and ensure you stay on the right path. Automating your finances is another powerful strategy. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment platforms. This ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend money you should be saving. It's a simple yet effective way to stay disciplined. Redefining spending priorities is equally important. Identify non-essential expenses like eating out frequently or buying luxury items and redirect that money toward investments or savings. Over time, these small sacrifices compound into significant financial gains. Emotions play a big role in financial decision-making. Fear, greed, or impatience can lead to poor choices. Learn to manage your emotions by staying informed and sticking to your plan. For example, someone who avoided panic selling during a market downturn ended up doubling their investment within a year. Leveraging unique opportunities can accelerate your financial growth. Look for trends, such as emerging industries or undervalued assets, and capitalize on them. For instance, early adopters of cryptocurrency saw massive returns. Stay alert and seize these moments when they arise. Finally, keep an eye on future trends that could impact wealth building. Technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and renewable energy are reshaping industries. Understanding these shifts allows you to position yourself ahead of the curve and maximize opportunities. In summary, the secret to transforming your financial life lies in planning, eliminating debt, saving, investing, automating, and diversifying income streams. With dedication and patience, you can change your financial reality and achieve the freedom you've always dreamed of. Remember, your future starts today, and it depends on the choices you make now. If this video helped you understand how to escape poverty and build wealth in a practical and accessible way, leave a like and share it with others who want to improve their relationship with money. Subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and financial transformation. Remember, with these strategies, you'll have total control over your money. Start now